just picked up the XPS foam boards for the Foamie. Very exciting. We got 17 boards of 2.4 long, and they're 600 mil wide and they're 50 millimeter deep. And so we're going to biscuit join them all together, and that's going to be the walls and the shell of my little camper Foamie at the back of my Hilux. Very exciting.
How much were they?
700 and around 790 bucks for all of them. Pretty good. I'm very excited. They're very lightweight, very strong.
It was quite unfortunate that nowhere in Australia stocked anything bigger than 600 mil.
Very true.
That's quite annoying because a lot of people on YouTube that we've been watching were able to do entire sides out of one sheet, which would be a lot stronger, a lot easier to do, but no one made anything wider than 600 mil. So yeah, we just had to go with it. I think maybe a lot of people are from the US that we've been watching online, so probably manufacturers different over there. So we're just gonna, as Millie said, biscuit join them all together.
So
They should be
exciting.
strong enough, I reckon.
I reckon.
I was very impressed picking them up. They're very sturdy.
And light.
Very sturdy and very light. Yeah.
It was amazing.
Millie was a little bit worried that we couldn't do it all without a frame. I'm feeling confident that we can, especially now that we've picked it up. I'm Millie's construction consultant. And we're winging it. We have no real idea what we're doing. But we're going to figure it out. It's going to be great.
Okay, I'll give you a little look at them on the back of the ute. This is them. Woo! Yes! So good. Okay. Peace out.
Woo!